Many know that Iblis, the devil, followed his way and rationalized against the clear revelation which came from Allah. Imam Ibn al-Qayyim said, he, Iblis, was the first to oppose the revelation by means of rationalism, making it supersede on the revelation. Indeed, when Allah ordered Iblis to prostrate to Adam, he opposed the command by rationalistic analogy combined in two statements in the Quran. أَنَا خَيْرٌ مِّنْهُ أَنَا خَيْرٌ مِّنْهُ, I am better than he, meaning Adam, which is Quran 38:76. Meaning, Ibn al-Qayyim is saying, the superior, in the view of Satan, in the view of the devil, the superior should not prostrate to the preferred. The superior should not prostrate to whom? To the preferred. Then he mentioned his second rationalistic analogy, opposing the revelation. He said, خَلَقْتَنِي مِن نَارٍ وَخَلَقْتَهُ مِن طِينٍ. You have created me from fire, and you created him from clay. Is this issue clear? The rationalistic opposition to the revelation by whom? By Iblis. That's why Ibn al-Qayyim in another place said that the imam of those people who take their own logic to supersede and to be prevalent on the texts, their imam is Iblis. Their imam is Iblis, because he was the one who started this whole thing.